If you need a few thousand extra dollars each month, take note of the following ideas. There are many ways to make more money outside of your primary job, which can assist with paying off debt, saving up for future purchases, or investing aggressively. These side businesses have little to no startup costs and do not require any schooling or other prerequisites. Furthermore, the hourly wage can be pretty high. Look at these easy business ideas that could allow you to earn thousands per month. You might even decide to leave your current work and pursue them full-time. You can start a pet sitting business. If you live in a neighborhood with plenty of pets, start advertising your services as a professional pet sitter. You can build a client base by walking dogs, feeding cats, and providing other necessary care while their owners are away. Prices will vary depending on your services, but you can easily earn hundreds of dollars per week by caring for other people's pets. This is an excellent option for animal lovers who are also entrepreneurs. Next, you can also start a home cleaning business. If you're good at keeping things tidy and organized, starting a home cleaning business could be a great way to make some extra cash. You can start by offering your services to family and friends, and then branch out to other individuals and businesses in your area. Prices will depend on the size of the home and the amount of work required, but you can easily earn $50 or more for a few hours of cleaning. The third best side business to start is a planning business. Suppose event planning sounds like something up your alley. Do you take great pride in your over-the-top theme parties that always go off without a hitch? Do you love organizing and being in control of everything happening around you? In that case, it may be time to consider turning this passion into a business. You don't need any formal training or experience to get started in the party planning industry. However, it is helpful if you have an expansive network of contacts and know local vendors well. Most importantly, event planners must be outgoing and organized individuals who can market their services effectively. You can generate leads for your business through word-of-mouth marketing and referrals from satisfied customers. Start by making a business website and social media accounts for your side hustle so that people can easily find you. To get customers, send them emails about your services and go to trade events to meet other vendors and start building up your operation. At these expos, take the opportunity not only to network with others in the party planning industry, but also learn more about what they're offering compared to the local competition. This way, you can adapt accordingly. You should also determine price ranges for the various services you provide at these events. The good news is that, except for day of services, you can do most of this research and communication-intensive work from the comfort of your home. Another best side business to start during your free time is to start a drop shipping business. If you're looking for a great way to make extra income or expand your online store, then look no further than drop shipping. Drop shipping is an incredibly efficient method of selling, in which you do not need to keep any inventory on hand. You simply purchase the items from a supplier after the customer has placed their order, and then the provider ships them directly. Most dropshipping businesses can start and run without much expense or time. With the right approach, it can be quite lucrative. Most people don't leave their steady jobs immediately once they open a dropshipping company. They take time to set up their store, work out customer service kinks, and find the best suppliers before seeing any significant profit. Businesses and entrepreneurs vary, but generally, it's possible to make $1,050 to $2,050 per month after working 10 to 13 hours per week in your store for 1 year. Although it may be difficult initially, this passive income plan can eventually generate a full-time salary if executed correctly. The fifth is to start a business making and selling your crafts. The most common part-time business for full-time employees is e-commerce. With the internet, anyone can now manufacture and sell crafts from home. Additionally, working with your hands is beneficial for the brain. According to experts, using your hands to do something that doesn't require a lot of thinking allows your brain to relax and rest. It can also give you a sense of achievement and reduce tension and anxiety. It's like meditation, but even better, because it benefits you in the long run. These are some company ideas: creating a jewelry brand, designing and selling personalized mugs, printing and selling custom t-shirts, making your candles. Your initial impulse may be to sell your handmade items on websites such as Etsy or eBay. However, these platforms take a cut of your profits, and there are other options available that can help you keep more of the money you make. You may create a website and launch an online store to sell your merchandise. You can also join forces with other creatives to open a brick-and-mortar shop. The sixth best side business that you can start is home care services. If you're a people person and love taking care of others, then starting your own home care business may be the perfect side hustle for you. You provide non-medical care services to clients in their homes in this business. This can include anything from light housekeeping and errand running to providing companionship and transportation. The demand for home care services is expected to grow significantly in the coming years as the population ages and more people require assistance with activities of daily living. If you're interested in starting your own business in this growing industry, you should keep a few things in mind. First, you'll need licenses and certifications to operate your business legally. Next, you'll need to identify your target market and determine what services they need and are willing to pay for. Finally, you'll need to develop a business plan and find the right insurance to protect your business. With the proper preparation, starting your own home care business can be a rewarding and profitable experience. The seventh best side hustle is to go freelancing. By 2027, it is projected that the number of freelancers in the United States will make up 60% of the total workforce, amounting to 87 million workers. Besides this, many freelancers broaden their revenue sources by creating online courses and selling digital products on the internet. Many people who own businesses and provide online services also freelance. Freelancing is when you work for multiple companies at once instead of just one. It's a great part-time business because it requires no money upfront. All you need is a skill that someone is willing to pay for. Numerous full-time employees convert their hobbies into a side business. There are many different types of freelancing: graphic design, web development, content writing, SEO, marketing, bookkeeping, customer service. To make the most of freelancing, don't use websites like Fiverr or Upwork that take a commission out of your earnings. Instead, get your domain and create an online portfolio. You can search job boards, contact companies directly, and promote yourself on social media sites such as Twitter and LinkedIn. The best part? You can work from anywhere worldwide as long as you have an internet connection. The eighth is to become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a business strategy where you promote another company's product or service in exchange for a commission. As an affiliate partner, you receive compensation for achieving specific results for the company or advertiser, such as sales, leads, clicks, or downloads. Because affiliate programs are free to join, you can start this venture without spending much money upfront. Additionally, because affiliates get paid based on how well they perform, making this a part-time business that generates residual income is possible. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you'll need to choose products or services you're passionate about promoting, have a niche audience, and understand how to market to that audience. You'll also need to build up a solid social media following and create quality content that will drive your blog or website traffic. The 9th best side hustle is to start a YouTube channel. YouTube has over 2 billion users, making it one of the world's most popular social media platforms. Not only this, but YouTube is also the second largest search engine after Google. This means that there is a massive opportunity for businesses and individuals to reach a broad audience by creating and sharing engaging video content. To start a YouTube channel, you'll need to create entertaining and informative videos. You'll also need to invest in quality equipment, such as a microphone and camera. Once you've made your videos, you'll need to optimize them for SEO and promote them across social media and other channels. Suppose you can build up a large enough following. In that case, you can make money through YouTube's partner program, which allows you to monetize your videos with ads. You can also earn revenue by selling products or courses through your channel or partnering with brands and businesses that want to reach your audience. Finally, use Airbnb to rent out your home. It could be the perfect supplemental income for you if you want to become an Airbnb host and live in a tourist-rich area. Before listing your home on Airbnb, double-check that you won't break any rules or regulations. You'll need to get the go-ahead from your landlord, co-op board, homeowners association, or other entity. Furthermore, find out if there are restrictions against short-term rentals where you live. Once you have received the all clear, you must create an Airbnb host profile and prepare your property for guests by cleaning it, organizing it, and stocking it with supplies. You should also be prepared to deal with requests or problems from guests during their stay, as well as any uncooperative guests that may come along. On average, Airbnb hosts earn $930 per month. While this may seem like a great deal of money, keep in mind that overhead expenditures for this side hustle are either minimal or non-existent. These are the 10 best side businesses to start during your free time. We hope this list has inspired you to start your side hustle. Do you have any other ideas for businesses to start? Share them with us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and goodbye.